It's an exciting time to be in storage. In fact, flash as a technology is really a game changer in storage. And it's really just hit this economic tipping point that we're going to discuss. But it's generally misunderstood how transformational it's going to be in the industry. Flash is all about economics. Flash allows you to increase performance, reduce costs, but also enable new opportunities. If you build your environment around all flash environments, you're able to do things you're not able to do in the past with storage technology for your systems and software. Let's go to a live demonstration that we put together for our Flash Ahead initiative around this topic. On the right-hand side, you'll actually see a live demonstration that we did. We took a typical core data processing environment, which is a database environment. We put a DB2 instance across a cluster of 4 Power 780 systems. And what we did is we attached 4 of these Flash System 1U devices, so 4 of them was 80 terabytes of usable capacity in Flash, and this system was able to do 1.3 million IOPS per second, delivering over 43,000 transactions per second in a real database environment. This is a benchmark. The key things that we did this at continuous and at high bandwidth. We're able to keep a continual performance across the database. Now, compared to this to doing it with normal disk technologies, imagine if you take the same 1U device and you do a whole rack. You could put a petabyte of usable flash on 1 floor tile. That petabyte of storage could give you 22 million IOPS per second. Compare that to doing with storage technology, it would take racks and racks of storage. In fact, the flash would be 11 times more cost effective for the same environment. It'd also be 37 times more efficient around energy and 80 times more efficient on floor space. Maybe to try to bring this kind of to bear, can everyone bear with me? Can everyone in the auditorium please stand up? All 5,000 of you. Do me a favor. Now look around, you're all storage arrays. You're creating heat. It's crowded, you can't see very far, and someone has to go around in the tyranny of disk drives, replace disk drives. Now everyone sit down except for this one front section. Everyone sit down. Now that's your environment. Now it's not just about flash technology, thank you by the way. It's not just about flash technology for floor space, but it's really what I'll say is the punchline is about economics. And what we've done is in a typical core data processing environment, if you build it with all flash, you can actually build the environment for 30% less. Now how? The storage is more expensive. But if you take a step back from just looking at storage and look at it from a system perspective, you can actually save about 30% and from the different studies we've seen and client case studies. How do we do that? Well, when you're not waiting for storage I/O, your actually servers are more efficient because a lot of things they're doing is waiting for I/Os. By freeing that up, you use less cores, less servers. That directly translates in savings on software, virtualization software, database software. Of course, there's power, cooling, and operational benefits of it. But this is the tipping point we're referring to, and it's misunderstood in the industry. Now, IBM sees this tipping point. We know the value for clients aggressively going after this technology, and that's why we announced the IBM Flash Ahead initiative, where we announced over $1 billion of R&D across IBM around Flash initiative. Second thing, a new family of all flash storage devices, which is called a Flash System. And also 12 Flash Center competencies around the world designed to help you do proof of concepts, but also services to evaluate your environment and have you understand where this can impact your particular economics and operational environments. So please, let us help. Please engage with us. You got to get started, because once you get started, you'll see how transformational it is. Thank you.